Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin. What's going on? A new pattern. I would like to show you this one and some other news, so stay tuned. It's really interesting. Let's go. And yes, we are starting with CoinMarketCap. You can see what's going on here. The most coins are going down. They are red. You can see it here. Bitcoin is red, XRP, Cardano, everything is red. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, the most coins here are red. Only Chainlink is going up a little bit, 13.3%. And what can we see here? Uniswap is going up here, Algorand is going up a little bit, but the most coins are going down. That's not nice, that's not good. Bitcoin is going down 0.8% in 24 hours and 2.5% in the week. Ethereum is also going down 0.9%, but in the week it's going up a little bit, 0.7%. The biggest winner in 24 hours is Chainlink, LivePeer, and NAM. And the biggest loser is Arweave, Curve, Token, and Cosmos. In 7 days, the biggest winner is Cosmos, Ravencoin, and Internet Computer. And the biggest loser, damn, it's IOTA. Not good, guys. Cardano and SushiSwap, they are going down. IOTA is going down 15.8%. That's not good, guys. That's not good. Let's check the dominance. What is going on with the Bitcoin dominance on the upside? And here we are. The Bitcoin dominance is going down 39.4%. Ethereum is going up a little bit, 20.3%. We can see we have here extreme fear in the market, 24 points fear in the market. So the next thing, what's going on with these patterns here? These are the candlestick pattern. And on the daily, we have this one here. This is a bullish pattern, okay? But it's not so important for the moment because we have here some bearish patterns on the 5 hour. 3 outside down bearish pattern with a high reliability to go down more and more. So we need to watch it, guys. What I would like to show you in this video is this rising wedge. We are here in the daily time frame. Every candle is 1 day. And yes, it's possible that we have now a really important support point. And we need now to spike to the upside because you can see it. We are perfectly hitting this green line, and this green line is the biggest thing we need to watch, in my opinion, here for the moment. I showed you yesterday a really great video for January forecast for Bitcoin. Please watch it. A lot of patterns there. The M pattern is there and the cup and handle. Everything is there you need to know. But today I will show you this one. We are now really close about over this green line, over this support line. You can see it here on the daily. So the big question is, can we bounce up here once again? Can we stay in this rising wedge? Yes or no? Can we go up from here like this one, down and up and down like this one? Or will we go down from here and will we lose this nice pattern? That's the big thing, in my opinion, to watch on the daily time frame. And yes, really important, guys. So maybe we can go up here over 70,000 and maybe back down again to 50,000. Maybe we can jump a little bit in this pattern. This would be nice for the next trades. So it's not the baddest thing, in my opinion, here to make a long position. It's not the baddest thing, but let's check when is the baddest time to make a long position, guys. First of all, we have here a nice support zone. This support zone is so important for the moment. We can see a lot of spikes down to this support zone. And yes, guys, you know it. If we are hitting the support zone so often like this one, it's really dangerous, and it's really dangerous to break down maybe. So guys, attention, use stop losses if you are in a long position. And here, watch this support zone, 45,500, one of the biggest things, in my opinion, we need to watch for the moment. And yes, here is the big question. January the 9th, January the 10th. I think we will see here a next move, maybe a big move to the downside or maybe a next big move to the upside. So we need to watch the next days. One thing that's also really important is this line, guys. And I think if we will see a confirmed closing candle over this red resistance line, this would maybe a nice long in position if you're watching the bigger time frame. But I have some better news for you. I have some better positions for you. Here is really important our golden cross and death cross. For the moment, we can see we are in the golden cross zone, but you can see the green line is coming down. And we have here a really big support and resistance line. It's a resistance, the red one. And we need to fight back this red 48,100 resistance line. We have here the EMA 200. We have here the ribbon band. You can see, oh my God, we have so much resistance now on the daily time frame. And it's Only possible with a lot of volume to jump through these resistance zones, guys. On the downside, we have the MACD, and this one crossed here really close the blue line under the brown line. Look at this little red candle here. But yes, we crossed, and the big question is, can we go over this again? Can we see the blue line over the brown line again in the daily, yes or no? Because if we will go down more and more, this would be a really bad breakout to the downside. So attention, guys. So let's check the next thing. The next thing what we are checking is this one, guys. We have here a really big support zone. This support zone was the spike to the downside, and it is 42,000. A lot of guys are talking about 42,000. I am also talking about this. A lot of guys talking about 40,000. I am also talking about this. I will show you why. Because 40,000 was here a really great support zone, resistance zone. First it was a resistance. After this we broke it. It was a support. So 40,000 really big support. 42,000 also really big support. If we will lose this, guys, attention, the M pattern may pay out to the downside, but play out. But okay, let's watch it. First of all, we need to break the first green line of our rising wedge. Then we need to talk about 42,000. For the moment, we don't need to talk about this, in my opinion. 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame MACD is bullish on the downside. You can see blue line is over the brown line, and you can see here also our big problems on the 4-hour time frame. So it's really hard for the moment. We have a death cross here. You can see green line is a resistance line. Red line here is also a resistance line. Ribbon band is a resistance. EMA 200 is a resistance on the 4-hour. We have so much resistance here that's unbreakable in my opinion, guys. So let's watch it, what's going on. Bitcoin needs a little wonder to break all this resistance to the upside, in my opinion. So we are hanging in this little triangle here, and I think in the next few days we will see a breakout to the upside or to the downside, and we are prepared for both, guys. If you're going down, we are prepared. If you're going up, we are prepared. So for in my opinion, if you are making a long position, it would be the best thing 45,500. If you missed it, maybe the next thing for a long position is if we can fight back the ribbon band or the green line. This is really important. Or if we see a golden cross. For the moment we are in a death cross. You have some things to watch about. If we are going in a short time frame and you missed the long position here on 45,500 on the downside, look at this. On the 1-hour time frame, we are here fighting with the ribbon band. For the moment, we have the next candle under the ribbon band. That's really bad. You see on the upside the EMA 200. We never fight back the EMA 200. That's a big problem. And the MACD on the downside is bullish. Relative strength index. So before we coming to the end of the video, let's check the relative strength index. And what can we see here? We can see this really important line from the downside here to the upside. What is this? This is the support line for the RSI. And you can see there's not so much space. So I think if we will break this down to the downside, we will see maybe a big dump to the downside, and maybe this is not the baddest thing to make a stop, a short position. I am never shorting Bitcoin, guys, but if you are shorting Bitcoin, this is a really important stuff to watch. RSI 1-hour time frame here, this support point. The next thing, support and resistance, is on the RSI if you're watching the 4-hour time frame, because you can see we have here also a nice support line, and we have here some space to the downside. So if you are trading on a bigger time frame, you have a little bit more space to the downside. So maybe we are spiking down a little bit, and it's not the best opinion in a 4-hour time frame to make a short position. MACD is bullish. You can see it. We are binding here the first green candle to the upside. And it's the MACD is really hard in the 4-hour. You can see an up and a down and an up and a down. So it's hard. It's really hard. Let's move on. You can see here the 4-hour time frame with RSI and MACD. You can see the ribbon band is our bad resistance on the upside. You can see the EMA 200 on the upper side is here a big resistance. So yes, of course, there's a lot of resistance here on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour, on the daily. You can see here it is. A lot of things we need to watch, guys. So let's move on. Let's check the next stuff before we end this video today. Not too long. Yesterday the video was longer, about 20 minutes, because it was the forecast for January. And this video is a little shorter, I promise, guys. So this is the biggest thing we need to watch, in my opinion. This is the Bitcoin price prediction from CoinCodex. Yes, I know it was a bad prediction with 57,000 pump and so on and so on. But we will keep this in our mind. It's predicting us. We will go down a little bit. Maybe in the next days, we will see a little pump to 50,000. This would be nice, okay? But we will go down first to 45,600, and then we see maybe a bounce to the upside. But remember, guys, we are bearish, 75% bearish, 25% only bullish. Remember these things that are the support points, important: 45, 200, 44, 500, 43, 400, the biggest support to the downside. And to the upside, the resistance point number 1, 47,000, number 2, 48,000, and the number 3 is 48,800. So the targets for the end of the week or for the next 7 days, maybe watch January the 9th. That's a really big thing. So maybe we'll see a little pump here, 49,800, 7% in the plus. This is telling us Coin Codex with the price prediction. Yes, I know it, guys, but it's a little point in our daily update here. So last but not least, watch this. We are in this rising wedge. We are over the green line and we need to hold the green line. You know the resistance to the upside, 48,800 maybe. You know the supports to the downside. And now, guys, I think you need everything you need to know for the next moves. Please visit my live stream. I have some news here for you. I have here nice fighting avatars. We are making battle royales here, and we are watching what's going on with Bitcoin. You have buy and sell signals and long and short, and you have everything you need for trading. Live streaming 24 hours, 7 days a week on YouTube and on Twitch, and I hope you can see us there. Join our community and be a part of us, be a part of Biti. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye.
System activated.